I'm Teacher Julio, and this is Slow English in Granada, Spain.
Granada is a gorgeous city in the south of Spain. It is full of history and culture. Here are some interesting facts and tips for your trip. The word Granada in Spanish means pomegranate. This delicious fruit is the city's symbol, and you can see pomegranates everywhere. Fountains, buildings, souvenirs, and even sewer covers. Alhambra, the main attraction. The Alhambra is a famous palace and fortress located on top of a hill. You can see the whole city from there. The Alhambra is much more than just one building. It is a whole complex of palaces, gardens, fortresses, and courtyards. It was built in the mid-13th century by the Nasrids, the last Muslim rulers in Spain. The name Alhambra comes from the Arabic, and it means the Red Castle. It got this name because the walls are made of reddish clay baked by the sun. You must buy your tickets online before you go. They sell out very fast, especially in summer. Go very early in the morning to avoid the crowds. Exploring the neighborhoods. Granada was the last Muslim city in Spain. This is why it has a unique mixed culture. The local dialect even has words from the Arabic language. Words starting with al, such as almohada, pillow, or alcalde, mayor, have Arabic origin. Don't forget to visit the Albaicin neighborhood. That is the old Arab quarter, and you will be able to see really inspiring architecture while wandering around its charming narrow streets and alleys. It is easy to get lost, but that is the fun part. The Mirador de San Nicolas is a meeting place for locals and travelers alike. It's a viewpoint in the heart of the Albaicin neighborhood. It is famous for having the best view of the Alhambra in all of Granada. From there, every photo looks like a postcard. And the best part? It is completely free. You might hear a guitar playing flamenco, and the music adds to the atmosphere and makes the experience even more special. It is so joyful. Another historic neighborhood is called Sacramonte. Many people there still live in caves into the rock, and you should definitely visit the museum Cuevas del Sacramonte for a closer look into the caves. Sacramonte is also the best place to enjoy a genuine flamenco show. It's exuberant. In Granada, You can also simply walk leisurely through the several city parks. They are spread all around the city, and you can take a break from the sightseeing and enjoy the city's greenest areas to relax and rest. Food and drink. In Granada, an amazing thing happens with drinks. When you order a drink at a bar or a restaurant, you get a free snack. This is called a tapa. You can try many different dishes this way. You will save money and try new flavors. That is a win-win. A popular tapa here is the jamón ibérico. That is cured ham. Besides, try this Spanish dish called tortilla. It is a tasty omelette with potatoes and onion. As for dessert, enjoy a pionono. It is a small rolled cake covered in sweet syrup and has toasted cream on top. It is very soft and sweet. You can eat it in just 1 or 2 bites. General travel tips. Wear comfortable shoes. The city has many hills and cobblestone streets. Learn a few words in Spanish. Hola means hello. Gracias means thank you. People will appreciate your effort. Granada is a truly magical place. The people are incredibly friendly. The food is delicious and sometimes free. The views are unforgettable. I have been walking around this city for days, and every corner surprises me. Here you feel peaceful. Here you feel happy. That is the feeling of Granada. I hope you enjoy your visit, as I am enjoying mine. Save this video if you're planning to visit Spain and subscribe for more.